Quarter roll on the way up, and then hammer half, and the quarter roll on the way down. So they discovered when they designed the airplane, well, man, this is not bad as an aerobatic platform. It would go 6 positive and 4 negative G's, which is plenty in an airplane like this. Now, the one thing you don't typically do in this airplane, you may not do a snap roll, but you can certainly do all the maneuvers miles before. Sorry about that. We had some loud aircraft taxiing by. She doesn't have Q&A up and over the top. Like I said, this is a very nimble airplane. Forward to the vertical, okay. Quarter roll. And a pretty good on the up side. With another quarter roll down line. So this airplane is popular in the IAC community. That's the opposition arm of the BAA. And they fly it and they do quite well. Bang for buck, all in all, the RV4, I would argue, is probably your best bang for buck airplane out there. It is standard seating, so you can take 2 people, you and your girlfriend or your wife, or whoever, and some light luggage. You can go places in the airplane. Burn about 8 gallons an hour in cruise or less. Roll there with Miles Turner as he goes over the top. Well done by Miles Turner. All right, he's going to give you some photographs. Now he is allowed to fly at a lower altitude. He's not doing aerobatics, so there are
He's going to go with Danny, his neighbors are over there. The neighbors, Danny and Lane.
Cause a dream won't chase you back if you're gonna love someone.